Hi and welcome to Tableau 101. Today I want to quickly show you how you can use the page tab here and also publish this on Tableau server. So what we did here, we want to use order date and run it along the dates. So if I hit play here, it'll show you the sum of sales increased by city. So what I did for this is all I did was do a compute by order date and then do some running total on it. But the cool thing is that you can actually do this now also on Tableau server. So here I published the workbook, and you can see you can actually just hit play on this as well. That was previously not possible, but it's now possible. I think this is one of the coolest features and underused features that you can do for visualizations. I hope this helps you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video.